Hello and welcome to ReachOwl. In this video, we'll show you how you can scrape audiences from Facebook and Instagram using ReachOwl. To kick things off, log into your ReachOwl account. First, make sure to adjust the time limit in the settings and team section based on the number of audiences you want to extract. Navigate to the last and maximize the time accordingly. Now, head to the campaign section and create a campaign. Choose the Facebook group member feature, pick your desired group, and set up your campaign details, including filters like keywords and gender if needed. Feel free to skip the message section as we're focusing on scraping. Save your settings and click Start My Campaign to initiate the outreach process. Once your campaign is running, wait until you've reached your target profiles. Pause the campaign. Go to the CRM section, click on Contacts, apply filters by choosing the campaign, and hit the Download button. You'll notice how easy it is to scrape audiences from Facebook groups. But it doesn't stop there. You can use any ReachOwl's campaign features to scrape audiences. For example, let's extract the following of someone on Instagram. Paste the Instagram username of the desired profile from which you wish to extract the followers. Click Next. Choose the campaign type, like Send Follow Request. Both campaign types can be used for scraping. Complete the campaign settings as required. Save your settings and click Start My Campaign to begin the outreach process. Once profiles are found, now we need to repeat the same process as in the previous campaign. Go to the CRM section. Apply filters by choosing the campaign and download the results. That's it. You've seen how simple it is to scrape audiences using ReachOwl. Thanks for watching and happy learning.